Today we're going to upload our program from our Allen Bradley Panelview 800 HMI. And to do this, we're going to use Connected Components Workbench software, which can be downloaded for free from Rockwell Automation. And I'll put a link in the description of how you can download it. In Connected Components Workbench, we're going to click the Discover button. And this is going to bring up our browser, the same as we use to download or go online with a PLC. And we have our Ethernet devices driver and our Ethernet IP driver. And I have videos on how to configure both of those. But if we open up our Ethernet IP, it's going to go and find all the devices that it can communicate with. And right there is our Panelview 800. Now, if we're not sure that this is the correct one, then hopefully someone has left a Go To Config button on the HMI. And if we press it, it's going to bring up the configuration screen of the Panelview 800. Then we can select Terminal Setting, Communications, and Set Static IP Address. And this is going to tell us what our IP address currently is. So we can see it is 192.168.116. So I'm going to select that Panelview 800 and click OK. And it's going to give us a list of files that are on this particular panel view. In this case, we only have one file, and we can also see that it is running. So a lot of times you may run into one that has multiple files, and usually this comes from someone being afraid to overwrite what's there. But mainly look for the one that's running. That's going to be the one that you're seeing on the HMI. I'm going to click OK, and we're going to overwrite it. And it says uploading application succeeded. So if we double click on our PV800, then now we can see our screens, which in this case we only have the one getting started screen.